Newton 107F. Newton 107F is a cementitious, polymer-modified waterproof membrane coating. It is suitable for waterproofing all types of concrete and masonry structures and is specified where movement is expected or where there is more than one type of substrate. The product can be applied to concrete, mortar, steel and screed and has very good elasticity and flexibility. Health and safety. Prior to using any Newton product, always observe the relevant guidelines regarding health and safety and necessary PPE. Newton Waterproofing's individual material safety data sheets contain specific information for each product. Prior to commencing with surface preparation, you should ensure the following: that the surface temperature meets the requirements of the product that is to be applied, and, for roof applications, that there is an adequate fall on the surface in order to assist with drainage. Prior to application of Newton 107F, the surface should be prepared by removing any damaged concrete, latents, dust, oil and grease. Both horizontal and vertical concrete surfaces should also be mechanically ground, vacuumed and cleaned. Whilst brushing alone is enough to remove a certain amount of debris left after grinding, it is necessary to vacuum the surface in order to fully remove any remaining dust. In cases where there is honeycombing or damage to the concrete, repairs can be made quickly and easily with Newton 203 RM. Saturate the horizontal surface of the concrete with clean water 24 hours prior to application, but ensure that there is no freestanding water when the primer is applied. Vertical surfaces should be dampened prior to installation. Horizontal surfaces should be primed with Newton 903P prior to the actual application of Newton 107F. Product preparation and mixing. Using a paddle mixer on a slow speed, pour the Part B powder component into the Part A liquid component. Once both components are combined, continue to mix them together with the paddle mixer for a minimum of 5 minutes. At the start and the end of the mixing process, use a trowel to scrape around the edge of the container, ensuring that any stray lumps of powder are fully mixed in. Finally, allow the product to stand for a further 2 minutes, ensuring that any trapped air can escape. Application. Make a final check for debris on the application surface. Newton 107F can be hand applied using a pin leveler and spike roller in a single 2mm coat or two 1mm coats. When applying Newton 107F, an overall membrane thickness of 2mm is required, regardless of the method of application. Application by spray. The product can also be applied extremely quickly to both horizontal and vertical surfaces with an airless spray machine in 2 coats of 1mm depth. Using either of these methods, the coverage rate is 3.2 kilos per square metre. When applied by spray machine, it is possible to apply up to 1,500 square metres in a single day. After applying the product, always wash any residual product from tools and machinery with clean water. Benefits. Resistant to up to 10 bar of both negative and positive pressure when applied to concrete with a strength of 35 megapascals or greater. Equivalent to up to 135 millimeters of good quality concrete cover when applied as a 2mm membrane. Applicable to damp surfaces at just 5 degrees centigrade, non-toxic, and quick drying, with an overall drying time of between 4 and 6 hours dependent on temperature. This video was filmed at the training facilities at Newton Waterproofing Headquarters in Tunbridge, Kent. Please contact us directly if you have any specific training requirements. We recommend that this product is installed by a Newton specialist basement contractor. Please contact us for a list of contractors in your area.